So what makes Avast unique, and how does it keep you safe? In simple terms, it's multi-layered protection against malware and cyber attacks. When malware targets a user's device, we use 6 layers of deep protection powered by our unique cloud-based analytics and machine learning techniques to keep them safe. Next, we'll discuss in more detail on how these protective layers defend you and your devices from cyber threats. Avast Web Shield processes all traffic coming over HTTP and encrypted HTTPS connections, using URL detection algorithms to protect against phishing as well as full content filtering to stop malware. Static Scanner analyzes code and binary objects prior to execution, using machine learning and various detection methods, including PE structure analysis, linker analysis, unpacking, deobfuscation, and similarity, fuzzy and algorithmic matching. Based on the analysis, our fast and efficient static scanner then characterizes the file as benign or malicious. Emulators. Avast uses 2, one for scripts and one for binary files. Protect against zero-day malware and vulnerabilities, as well as increasing resilience to malware sample modifications. These provide full emulation of the native computing environment, including a virtual CPU, virtual RAM, and virtual operating system, together with its subsystems. Features are collected during emulation, and malware is then blocked according to our unique rule engine. Avast Deep Screen, utilizing a full virtual machine on which a cloned version of the user's operating system tests the suspicious files. Deep Screen uses machine learning algorithms to identify similarities with known malware families. The hypervisor-assisted virtual machine connects to the Avast cloud engine to utilize threat intelligence gathered from our entire user base. We combine virtualization of suspicious applications and deep instrumentation to see at the high level as well as at an instruction level what the examined program is trying to do. Based on an observed behavior mode, using machine learning algorithms, we are able to identify similarities with known malware families. By peeling off layer by layer with deep dynamic introspection, the generic unpacker component is able to unveil known malware samples that could be hidden in heavily obfuscated and encrypted ones. During this process, our cloud engine utilizes threat intelligence gathered from our entire user base to assess all software samples. Avast Cyber Capture activates automatically when needed to prevent the rarest and most sophisticated malware from infiltrating a user system. Cyber Capture locks down and submits potentially malicious files, including all the associated metadata, to the cleanroom environment of our Avast Threat Labs, while informing the user and keeping him engaged throughout the process. Advanced algorithms and Avast's experts inspect the suspicious files in the most advanced layer of security. Cyber Capture analyzes over 20,000 unique files per day. Behavior Shield monitors the system for suspicious activities while programs are running. Behavior Shield captures unusual behavior on the device, works on both PCs and Android smartphones, such as attempts to terminate the Windows Update or firewall services, inject system-level processes, or use the camera without user-initiated activity. Once evaluated as malicious, it can automatically stop the activity, undo the operation, and quarantine the object in question. Now that you know how Avast keeps you safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.